Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Instan Alamsyah, aka SN. Okay, in this video I want to share you about instant noodle processing. Okay, before that I will tell you that there are many types of instant noodle making machines, ranging from small to large ones. But this time I will provide material about small and large machine. Well, I will go into the material that I will convey, namely about instant noodle make machine. Okay, the first name machine in the KT900X52S. Spill name KT9X52S noodle machine. Material for making this tool: 1 iron, 2 aluminum, 3 steel, and others. The power of this machine reaches 1500 watts to 220 watts in the one piece. Its production capacity 1,100 kg per hour. The dimensions of this machine are 274 by 71 and 130 cm and weigh up to 500 kg. And number 2. Well, the second is a large noodle making machine, named KT9125 2S. Spill name KT91255S. For the manufacturing material is 1 iron, 2 steel, 3 aluminum, 4 rubber, and others. And the power of these machines reach up to 8,500 watts to 318 in 3 parts. Production capacity reach 400 kg per hour, and the dimension for these machines 562 by 68 by 105 cm.